is how I learn. I do it so. How many people know I put up 1,000 clips a week? Like, but that's just me practicing. That's not me trying to showcase. That's just how I practice. All the clothes you see me put on, that's just how I practice. I want to know how it feels when I get down there. You know what I'm saying? That's how I do it. I dance 8 hours a day, every day.
No joke?
But it is something I do with my spare time. But it's also what I do when I go to work. I wake up at 7:15, I start practicing at 9. I usually don't end until about 4 or 5. Alright? So I'm telling you this because it worked for me. I don't go to the gym. This is my gym. How many people are out of breath? Well, were at a time. Good. You should be if you're really working. Alright? Now, nobody told you to go fast. Because the beat itself, yeah, it's slow, but you can break that down into something slower. Because there's so much going on. She did. When she got tired, she stopped all that real quick. She was like, at first she was getting it. By the end of it, she was like, and I couldn't say nothing because she wasn't repeating. Alright? So, now we're going to get the hit going. Alright?